So talk to me. Why did you come to the mastermind?
I came here to change my life.
Blessed, grateful, very grateful.
What are your thoughts?
Water, bro. Already? We haven't even started. The energy, it's like that you meet everyone in person. That's the craziest thing. John Gap. Fuck yeah.
Met John 3 years ago. Always thought it's only about strategies and business hacks to make more money. Turns out it's all in my brain, all in my heart. The answers are within.
Like, this is life-changing. And when you say life-changing, people are like, yeah, it's life-changing. No, it's life-changing. Like, it's life-fucking-changing, you know?
It's crazy because, like, I always say, I believe God puts you in situations in your life so you can help other people. But you got to realize, guys, when I was 20 is when I started my entrepreneurial journey, and I had no guidance, I had no role models. I just had these fucking pussy men around me, and I feel like I had to go through that so I can now serve you guys. It means a lot, bro. So I feel like I'm doing the right thing by, if I'm a role model to you guys. It means a lot. Yeah, hope I can give you inspiration to just be better men. Just have clarity, you know what I mean, mindset, and work on your fitness and your businesses and get the success, man.
All these decisions, all these thoughts, all these daily actions, all the pain and sorrow that I had went through in life led me to this position where I came to this mastermind. This mastermind was able to help me see what my reality really is. This is the new life because not everybody ends up in this position.
Today I'm going to cover a framework and then I'm going to go over 10 commandments of closing the deal.
You want to tell them how much you made last month, T?
1.3 million.
Whether or not you want to show yourself online at that point yet or no, this was probably one of my biggest mistakes. Truth is, people don't believe what they hear, they believe what they see.
Because what you're familiar with, you attract to you.
Consistency beats intensity. Establish the habit, then improve it, right? Daily disciplines, and then build them up. People that chase external things to validate, but it's fucking bullshit.
One, two, three, together we win! Let's go.